Starting a business using AI can be a game changer. First, identify a problem you're passionate about solving. Then, explore AI tools that can help. For instance, if you're into e-commerce, consider AI-driven analytics to understand customer behavior better. Next, leverage automation for tasks like inventory management or customer service. Chatbots can handle inquiries 24/7, freeing you to focus on growth. Don't forget about data, it's your gold mine. Use AI to analyze trends and make informed decisions. And remember, networking is crucial. Join online communities or forums where AI enthusiasts gather. Collaborate, share ideas, and learn from others. Finally, stay adaptable. The AI landscape evolves rapidly, so keep learning and be ready to pivot your strategy. Embrace the technology, and you'll be well on your way to building a successful business.